What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. So today I'm going to show you how to start an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch. So let me show you quickly some of my results. I have been doing affiliate marketing since 2017 and I have been promoting multiple products and offers. So this is one of the products that I am promoting right now, the 72-hour challenge and freedom accelerator. These are my latest payments, as you can see in the screen. For example, I have earned $454, $128, $135. And basically, to make commissions with affiliate marketing, it's possible, but you need to build the right system, the right 24/7 sales system. You need to have good copywriting skills. You need to build this entire ecosystem of products, and then you need to drive traffic to your own sales funnel. And basically, it's just going to be a matter of time in which you just need to keep creating content or paying ads. And once you have that snowball, this is like a snowball effect, you will get commissions. But you need to, first of all, have the right mindset, and also you need to put in the work. So check this out. As an affiliate marketer, we can promote multiple affiliate products and offers. So we can, for example, go to Amazon.com, and if we scroll down, we're going to find here this link, become an affiliate. And if we click here, we can promote Amazon products, for example, through YouTube or TikTok. So basically, people who promote Amazon products, so they clicked here so they signed up to become an Amazon associate. Then Amazon, when someone signed up to become an Amazon associate, Amazon will give them affiliate links, and basically we can promote almost any product from Amazon. Now, it's important to know what are the commission rates for the Amazon products, and you can go to this page, Amazon Associates Program Standard Commission Income Statement, and you can read here for example, for the product category Amazon Games, an affiliate can earn 20%. For luxury beauty, luxury stores beauty, and Amazon Explorer, 10%. So you can see we have a commission rate between 1% and 20%. 4% in some cases, 5%. Now, why it's important to know this information? Because as an affiliate marketer, we can promote another type of product which is not a physical product, and I'm talking about a digital product. For example, in Clickbank.com, we can find digital products to promote. We have another example, Digistore24. We can find digital products, and these are like digital courses, and we can make more commissions than Amazon. For example, 40%, 50%, or even up to 60% commissions for every sale. And another thing is that we can promote a variety of products in many niches. For example, in the health and fitness. So on Clickbank, I have products for the woodworking niche, for home and garden niche. But some of the best niches that you can choose are the make money, health and fitness, and relationship. Those are the three core niches in which we can make money as an affiliate marketer. And you can find products for those niches on Clickbank.com and Digistore24. Now, there is another type of product that is called a high ticket product, and that is the product that I promote. For example, this product, Freedom Accelerator, is a high ticket product. So I can make 40% commission of this high ticket product, and basically the price of this type of product is higher. For example, $2,000, $2,500, $3,000, or even up to $5,000. And that is why I like to promote this type of product, because we can make more commissions. And also, if we promote something like a high ticket product, so these are high quality products. For example, let me show you this. This is an example. This is the 72-hour challenge. So to promote a high ticket product, we promote those products basically through a challenge, through a love ticket. So the cost of this challenge is very cheap. The price is $9. Basically, when someone buys this challenge, I refer a person to this company, and I'm going to have, for example, here, I'm going to have another referral. And if that person buys the love ticket, I'm going to make a commission in this part of the ladder, which is 40% of $9. But usually these companies who sell high ticket products has upsells, and that upsells are more trainings if people want to know more information. Now let's say, for example, that the upsell could be $100 here, and then they have another upsell and the price is $500, and then the high ticket, let's say that is $1,500. So the strategy that you are seeing right now, this is the value ladder, so, which means that if the people buy the love ticket product, I can make commissions here in the upsells and also in the high ticket product. And this strategy is super powerful to promote high ticket products, because, for example, it's really difficult for someone to buy a high ticket of $2,000 if that person don't know anything about the creator of the training, the testimonials, and all the information related about it. But we can promote a love ticket product that is going to warm people, and then if those people want to scale their business, they can upgrade through the upsells and the high ticket. Now, for example, inside of this challenge, the 72-hour challenge, people will get access to this training, the Freedom to Roadmap, how to build an automated sales system using an unfair tool. So that is a sales funnel, and also they will get access to traffic strategies, because once you have built that 24/7 sales system or sales funnel, you need to drive traffic to it. And then if they want to scale their business, and if they want to buy the high ticket, they will get access to this product, Freedom Accelerator. I'm going to show you another example, Legendary Marketer. So this is a well-known product in the make money online niche, that teaches people how to start an affiliate business. And this is a 15-day challenge, as you can see in the screen. And throughout this challenge, people will learn how to build this affiliate business from scratch, using, for example, how to build a sales funnel, how to develop their copywriting skills, why it's important to follow a blueprint, why it's important to have, for example, a success mindset. So check this out, day number 4. We have here a lot of resources that we can use. They have also a business advisor that helps people going through the 15-day challenge. So day number 4, you'll learn how to master the inner game of wealth. So as you can see in the screen, this challenge is packed with practical knowledge that you can utilize to build an affiliate business. The 72-hour challenge as well. Now let me show you how to build this 24/7 sales system, and if you want, I'm going to show you how you can access this done for you system, because to build the 24/7 sales system, it requires time and effort, because you need to build an opt-in page, you need to have a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email. Then you need to build an ordering sequence and write the emails. You need to have good copywriting skills. Now, it's important for you to know that you can learn those skills here inside Legendary Marketer and the 72-hour challenge. But if you want to utilize this unfair tool that I'm going to show you right now, so you can speed up the process and basically just copy and paste this. This is a 7-figure Done For You affiliate business. If you want to just copy and paste it, you can. I'm going to show you right now. So check this out. This is a software. The name is funnelfreedom.io. So this software is like a CRM, a customer relationship management. Here you can store your contacts, see your opportunities, put your payments. So we have here many features, but the Done For You system that is inside of funnelfreedom.io is this funnel, Freedom Ascension, mapping your 9 to 5 exit strategy. So check this out. So this is a funnel that is inside. So this is the Done For You system, and which basically has an opt-in page, and the opt-in page is going to help you to collect leads. That means an email and a name. So the step here is to basically drive traffic to this opt-in page. So when people see this page and click this button, I can collect the name, the email, and if they want, their phone number. Once I have that information, this software is going to send this free course, because this is the lead magnet. We are giving away this free course in exchange for the email. So when people are going to start learning from this free course, and for example, below the lessons, they will see buttons. So this button is for anyone who wants to join the 72-hour freedom challenge. And if they click the button, I want you to look over here. That's my affiliate link. So as you can see, we are utilizing the leverage of the creator of the 72-hour challenge in Freedom Accelerator in funnelfreedom.io, which is Jonathan Montoya. We're utilizing his leverage, his YouTube channel, his YouTube videos to promote our affiliate products. Now, let's say that, for example, they click on part number 6. So they will get access to here. They can download the affiliate traffic secrets checklist. Then if they want to get access to the software repurpose.io or Udemy, or check this out, if they want to go directly to the checkout of Freedom Accelerator, these are my affiliate link for Freedom Accelerator. So check this out. We have here another button. So we are like selling. This is like an indirect selling, because we are helping people. We are giving them the information they need to start an affiliate business so they can quit, in this case, their 9-to-5 job. By utilizing this information, they will get a ton of value. And if they want to buy the products, they can scroll down and click the buttons below. And as an affiliates, we are promoting our affiliate products when people click those buttons. Now, let me show you. I'm going to click here on Funnel Freedom, because the magic of this software is basically this page. Here, I have all my affiliate links for these products: the 72-hour Freedom Challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Funnel Freedom, which is the software that you are seeing right now, Secrets of Success. This is a training about mindset. Legendary Marketer is the high-ticket product that I just showed to you. System.io. We can promote as well. Get Response. This is for email marketing. Repurpose.io, BDQ, and we're promoting these products by just copying and pasting our affiliate links inside of this page, and then we need to click here, update affiliate links. And once we have done that step, we just need to start sending traffic to the opt-in page. And Funnel Freedom is going to collect the emails when someone put in their information. And also, we have as well the email sequences that, as an affiliate, for this done for you system, we don't need to build. So we have already six workflows of 60 days of nurturing sequences, so we can nurture our email list and give our email list valuable information. We can give more information about how to start an affiliate business, and we can promote those products or affiliate products through email. So check this out. Right now I have 16 people enrolled on the first workflow, which is the welcome sequence, and then I have here 10 people enrolled on the first 60-day nurturing sequence, and we have right now 6 nurturing sequence of 60 days. So this system is powerful because we are utilizing, basically we're using the leverage of Jonathan. We don't need to create the 24/7 sales system. We don't need to create the opt-in page, the lead magnet, and the email sequences, and write all the emails and do this entire ecosystem of products. We just need to copy and paste our affiliate links and then send traffic to the opt-in page. That is basically how this done for you system works. Now, it's important for you to know that it takes time to start getting results. So by utilizing this software, I made my first commission in less than 30 days, which is absolutely great. But some people get discouraged when they don't have results fast, and that is why I want you to let you know that it takes time. When I started with affiliate marketing, it took me basically 1 year to get my first affiliate commission. 1 year of uploading YouTube videos on my YouTube channel. That is why it's important to put in the work every day by doing simple things. In this case, we don't need to build the sales funnel. We just need to copy and paste our affiliate links and then work on the traffic strategies, which basically are creating content on social media, for example, YouTube, TikTok Reels, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and Google as well. If you like to write, you can write a blog. But that is how we can drive traffic to our sales funnel. We need to create content and explaining people about our own journey. Now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you got value from this training. Talk to you soon, and God bless.